Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our review of the Colmi P55Q Smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here. Okay, and then guys, we have here another product from Colmi. This is the P55Q, and I'm very excited guys because I'm quite really satisfied with the Colmi brand in the past, and now I have another one. So guys, if you're interested, I'll actually put the link in the description box for this product. This is the box of our Colmi P55Q. It's very simple guys. So we have only here the design of the watch, and then at the back, so we have here this application. This is the key fit download. Let's take a look the inside of the box. We have here the blue color, so let's take this one out. Wow, I like it. Okay, and then we have here the manual. Okay, we have here the guide. You can check all of your questions in here guys. The charging cable, so this is a magnetic charging cable, so which we have just to attach like that. Alright guys, so let's take this cover out. Ooh, okay, and then here is our Colmi P55Q. So okay, this is the right side. So we have here the crown. I think this is the microphone and another button in here. And on the right, so we have here the speaker grill. And then we also have here the sensors. So let's turn it on guys. So here is our Colmi P55Q guys. So as you can see, it is a really nice looking watch. So let's take a look guys, the feature of the watch. So let's scroll down. So we have here the Bluetooth lock, like lock screen. Okay, we also have here settings. Okay, and then we have here the do not disturb mode. Now let's scroll up. So we have here the messages if you connect this one to your phone. When you swipe to the right, so we have here the shortcuts, and when we swipe to the left, then we can see the widgets. Let's try to count guys the watch faces. So we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 watch faces you guys. So let's try to look at the menu. Okay, so we have here the list style guys. So let's look at the features of this Colmi P55Q. So we have here sports. Okay, as you can see, we have walking, running, cycling, hiking, spinning, rope skipping, rowing, elliptical yoga, basketball, volleyball, badminton, aerobics, kayaking, and roller skating, tennis, football, golf, table tennis, dance, rock climbing, treadmill, indoor walking, walk, running, cycling. Wow, so many guys. Mountaineering, outdoor hiking, fishing, hunt, skateboard, parkour, ATV, motocross, racing. Wow, hand crank, marathon, stair climbing, obstacle course, stepper, mixer. Oh my god guys, it has lots of sport modes. Gymnastics, stretch, pilates, horizontal bar. Wow guys, so many. Dancing, belly dance, ballet. Wow, lots of, wow, so many guys. I think it has lots of sports that you can do with this watch. This is really perfect for people who want to do sports. Wow guys, I think it has like more than 50 sports mode. Okay, and then we have here heart rate. So as you can see guys, it will not actually detect guys. So contrary to other smartwatch, like it actually detects even if you are not wearing them. But this one, look, if it's not near my wrist, it will not measure the heart rate. So let's check our heart rate, guys. This is our heart rate as of this time. So we have here 73 beats per minute. Not bad. Okay, and then we also have here SpO2. So can you see, guys? It's the same. So let's check our SpO2. So guys, our SpO2 is 98. Not bad. Okay, we also have here steps. Okay, breath training, especially when you are stressed. Okay, I really like this feature. Sleep. Okay, dial, calendar. It's nice. Weather. Okay, you need to connect this one, and then camera control, music control, voice assistant, position, alarm, stopwatch. Okay, menstrual cycle, this is for women, and then calculator. And guys, wow, it has games in it. Can you see? Okay, we can play the game. Okay, like we have to like just like that. Boom. Okay, that's nice. Okay, and then we have here timer, race to wake. Okay, find my phone, bright screen time, so like say 10 seconds. Language. Okay, we have here theme, like list view or grid view. So in my case, it's just this time I'm using the list view so that it's easier for us to check. We have your system, the name, the version, business card, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, time zone. Okay, it even has time zone, QR code. Okay, this is actually the app, so you just have to scan that one. And then we have your settings, dial setting or like watch faces. All right, can choose. And then we have here vibration intensity, just say close. Do not disturb mode. We have here media tone control, password SOS. Okay, and then we have here screen off lock, mute control, and also message bright screen. All right, wow guys, for me, I really like this Colmi watch. I've been using Colmi, the other one, and I can say it's really great. Okay, and then I'll be wearing this one now. So guys, here is our Colmi P55Q. Look at that, guys. It looks pretty nice. Yes. So I think that I will make a review on this watch if you want. Okay, and then if I'm going to rate this one, guys, of this watch, I will give this was 9.5 over 10. Yes, so far, because I think I've tested the Colmi brand before, and I hope that this watch will also do good. Yes, but based on my initial review, this is 9.5, and the design is nice, the strap looks nice. What else can you ask for? If you're interested to get this watch, just tap on the link in the description box. And by the way, I got this one from Shopee. So yeah. And then guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And then if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you on our next video.